Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Coinrule. In order to do so, here we are at coinrule.com. And if you're unfamiliar with Coinrule, it is a platform where you can create trading bots and follow smart investors. You can catch the next market opportunity and compete with professional traders. And it has been featured on some of the biggest outlets out there: TechCrunch, Forbes, Combinator, Business Insider, Yahoo Finance. Works with the top 10 plus popular exchanges, military grade security and encryption. Create automated trading rules 24/7. Set custom automated trades and never miss a rally or get caught in a dip. Coinrule obsessively seeks out effective market indicators to enable smart allocation of funds while putting you in control of your trading machine. Test rule performance on historical data. Choose among 250 plus rules or build your own. Securely trade across exchanges. Coinrule is a beginner-friendly and safe platform to send automated trading instructions to your favorite exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase Pro, Kraken, etc. We don't ask for private keys or withdrawal rights. If you want to sign up for market updates, you can enter in your email there to get updates. Create rules based on popular indicators. Each rule can be set to run as fast as every minute and executes within seconds. New indicators are added every week and announced on our blog. Trigger actions when the market changes based on clear indicators. No code required, as simple as IFTTT. Manage volatility, maximize profits. Here you can estimate your cost. How much do you trade monthly? Well, if we slide the bar here, we've got our free version. We've got the hobbyist version at $29.99. We've got the trader subscription at $59.99. We've got the pro subscription at $449.99. And we also have the business plan, and you can contact Coinrule for more information on that. We're also going to leave a link in the description. So if you want to click on that, then that would be a great way of helping to support the channel, and we would certainly appreciate that. Yeah, let's just see here. We could say hi to the founding team. Well done. Supported exchanges. We have all of those here. We can click Start Now, and we'll just scroll back up to the top here. You can click Start Free, or you can click Get Started. I've already gone through that. So we are here actually in Coinrule. And the first thing we want to take note of is that we do want to connect a wallet. So make sure that you connect your wallet, connect an exchange in order to view the balance. We have a few options here. We've got notifications, exchanges. This is going to be our wallet here. We can connect Binance. We can create a rule. We can request early access to the DeFi trading launch. DeFi trading, which launches soon. We've got our rules here, exchanges. So you can see here, we can connect our wallet, whatever you have a preference for, and we'll just take a look here and see what they have to offer. So you can see for yourself the different options that they have available for you to connect your wallet. Let's check the marketplace out here. So we need to get a plan to access the marketplace, and in order to unlock 2 free rules. And we can see that we have some information there, but we're going to need to go ahead and unlock that in order to view that fully. We have our baskets here, curated baskets. DeFi, this bundle will focus your rule to only trade coins that are related to decentralize. You can view more of that. Top 10 market cap. This bundle will allow you to your rule to only trade to the 10 highest market cap coins. POS Layer 1 second. This bundle specifically features coins that are Layer 1S and use a proof of stake, etc. We've got NFTs. We've got gaming related coins, top futures, Coinbase Portfolio New York. And let's just go ahead and click view on this. So with the DeFi, we've got some more options here to consider. This bundle will focus your rule to only trade coins that are related to decentralized finance. DeFi is targeting $100 trillion industry and is the biggest use case for crypto. When you see DeFi coins making moves, this is the bundle to use. So we could just take a look through there and see what you can expect. And we have the use basket option here. Let's go ahead and click on that. Just curious to see what might happen. Okay. So then from here, we have a new rule. So that's basically what we've got going on here. And there's also an AI assistant as well. Let's go ahead and click on that. Okay, so we actually have this connected to ChatGPT. And this is an experimental agent for Coinrule. Training is ongoing for Coinrule GPT. Please be mindful that some answers may be correct. So that's quite nice. They have a designated GPT for Coinrule, so you can go there and ask more questions. And here you can see the options we have for creating new rules. So creating okay, so we are on a specific exchange and our coins on the demo exchange. If this event schedule trades, trade immediately. So you can see here the various components that we can select for creating a rule. So execute, start immediately, and execute how many times, and we can even name the rule, save it as a draft, save it as a template, launch the demo. So that's going to give you all an idea of what it is that you can expect with Coinrule. And it seems as though they have a really powerful platform here. Go check it out, coinrule.com. Check that link in the description and help the channel out. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.